Mr. Miller's class, How to Torture a Student.
Start each day with a surprise quiz. Don't dismiss the class for recess until you have finished the lesson you're working on at the end of the day. Hand out a huge assignment that's due the next day.
When a student says I have to go to the bathroom, say you should have gone this morning before you left home, or you'll have to hold it. It's time for the kindergarten to use it.
Never call a student who has their hands up. Only call a student who has no idea what's going on. When a student asks you a question, say look up the answer in a book. Don't bother to mention the name of the book in which the answer can be found.
When you read, go as fast as you can. Skip a line or two, then ask questions about the passage to see if the student will listen.
When it's time to read, pick on a student that doesn't have a book out.
When you hand out pencils, make sure they're dull and don't have erasers. When you hand out books, make sure they're torn and tattered.
When preparing the students for a test, write all the information they'll need to know on the board and stand in front of the board so they can't see what you've written. As soon as you finish discussing the test information, turn quickly and erase the board.
On the last day of school, hand out a surprise final exam. Tell your students if they flunk it, they'll have to attend summer school. And if they flunk summer school, they'll have to repeat the grade. Tell them you hope they all flunk because you like them so much and wish they could be your students again next year.
Good job, guys.